So Mike, this is the replacement Gendome. I've had it plugged in since yesterday, and it was at 30%. It's showing 28% now. You can see nothing is charging the unit. It is online. It is plugged in. And just so you can see that there's cable that you sent me, and I tried other cables, but I'm getting the same result. If I plug it, unplug it, I have a crock pot that uses the same connector. So it provides power. I mean, you know. So, but again, when I plug this cable into here, nothing happens. I'm plugging it in all the way. I can't go any further, except for slow charging, like just like my EcoFlows over there. But this is not charging. I don't think I can do fast charging. Let me see. Does that do anything? No. So I didn't see any damage on the box, so I don't know if it was damage in shipping because it didn't have all the crap around it. But anyway, here you go. So it's plugged in. It's not working, but if I unplug the same cable and plug it into another device that uses that same connector, I have no problem getting power. Just not plugging it into... Oh, sorry, I'm looking at the camera. It is not charging. So please send a replacement.